I'll be replacing my rear door latch assembly. This cover was covering it. You just pop that out. I used this to do so. I just gotta get these 3 bolts off of it, and that should come up. It's kind of hard to see, but you see it's underneath this plastic piece here. The cable comes out through that side, and there's the wires that connect to the actuator. I'm not sure what you depress to actually get them off, so I'm going to try to disconnect it or unscrew it, move it up so I can actually see it, and then maybe I'll be able to pop the wire out. I have not got the replacement part yet. I'm going to go get it soon, but this is stuck in a locked position right there, and I can't budge it. So I'm replacing it. Alright, I got the 3 bolts out the bottom, and now it moves around. Alright, looks like 2 Phillips head screws holding that on. So that's what holds that cable in there. And then it's just in there with that. Just gotta pop it out of that. I gotta change this part here, not this part. I don't think it comes with this, the actuator. So it looks like I got 2 more screws that hold the actuator onto it. I'm gonna wait to take that apart until I get the new one, so I can remember how it goes on there. But just another part. I'm getting it from Advance Auto. Right now they have a coupon for 20% off. So instead of $102, this is going to be $87 after taxes. Alright, I've got my new part. This is what it looks like out of the box. Comes with this wire that goes up into the plastic piece. Everything seems to line up, other than this is slightly angled more than the old one. Side by side comparison, might be the same angle, but this looks different. And other than colors, everything seems the same size. The bolt holes seem to be in the proper place. As you can see, this one's actually open, this one is stuck shut. I gotta take this piece off, transfer it to this one, and then mount it in. So that's what I'm going to be working on next. So should be 2 Phillips head screws. Hold this on right here and here. Just taking the screws out. Actuator came off just like that. sun is going down, unfortunately, and it's overcast. So the only light I have right now is the camera. And what's left in the sky, of course. Okay. The actuator has been moved. Okay. So everything should line up for the plastic piece to go on. Okay. The plastic piece is on. Get it all the way up in there. Alright, pretty easy. Now I just gotta get it back in the door, put those 3 bolts in, and well, get the wires plugged in here, and then get the 3 plugs in. That should go in that way. Should be right there. Still have to put this in here, the cable back in right here. Pretty sure all it did is go into here. Oh no, wait. Cross this. And went into this one. Somehow going into that. Maybe. That way, that, and this went in there. A little further back here. I need a screwdriver or something. Alright, that's it. Now this piece here, to lock that into place, I think goes in that direction. Alright, it's in. Put that adding a jumper in here. Okay. Seems to be in there good to me. Okay, I'll just wire nut this other side. Alright, there's that. This just plugs in right here. It doesn't go to anything. That one goes in there. The big one goes to the big one. Alright. The only thing I can think of is either the actuator is bad, or I might have blew a fuse over there so that it won't power this one. The other doors seem to lock and unlock just fine. But this is closed until I can figure that one out. But I replaced the latch. The latch work is actually locking now and shutting. Because I could pull these bolts back off and try to pull on the cord and see if it will open. Let's see if I have enough room to get in here and do that. Just able to reach the other side with the drill. Good. Well, it opens if I pull on the cord. try closing this engine on. Guess I just had to have the engine on for it to actually start working. Okay, so it works. Perfect. It is now unlocking, opening butts when I pull the handle. Technically, door panel's back on. But it's on this one. You have to start with the bottom. It's also the last one you take out. Do that. You have to push it down from the top. You gotta try to line up the Then you put on your two side pieces. They just pop right into place. Then you have the piece that goes across the top. Pressure goes this way. Okay, that probably took me a total of an hour to take the old one out and put the new one in, but I also had to crawl through there to get it open.